Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna do a short square Valentine's like freestyle set, and I'm just gonna kind of let you guys watch. There's not really much to explain. I just wanted to show you guys the base that I used and then the stickers, and I will link the stickers down below, and just how cute you can make a set with stickers and have fun. And if you are not good at freehand painting or anything like that, stickers really help. Or if you're in like a time crunch or something, stickers are amazing, and I haven't been able to use those stickers yet, so I was super excited to use them and do a French and cat eye and all of that. So if I do need to explain something, I definitely will, but other than that, I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys watch. So for this base, I layered two colors. I used the seashell color for the first coat, and then I'm gonna do two coats of the blush pink, just because I really like the blush pink, but on its own it's kind of see-through. So I decided to use like the seashell color because it's a milky pink. It kind of looks milky white on camera, but it's more of a milky pink. And yeah, when you put that blush pink on top of it, it gives it like the perfect base, and it's just so pretty. And then really quick, I do like to clean my nails with an alcohol pad if I'm doing stickers or if I'm doing a French, just because like I've said in the past like videos, the Medusa color does like bleed through if I go straight into the top coat. So I like to just wipe it and get off that inhibition layer so it's not sticky or anything, and then I will do my top coat. And then in this case I'm adding stickers, so I just wiped everything off. The stickers stick like amazing when you wipe off the tacky layer. So yeah, that's why I choose to wipe it. And then you want to be like for sure where you want your stickers, because it's very hard to get them off. If you wanted, like if say I wanted to take it off right there, I would have to buff it off, because it's not gonna come off with just the little tweezers that I'm using. It'll rip the sticker. So definitely be sure where you want your stickers to be placed, and then yeah. And this was literally it for this set, and it came out so cute. Like, I always forget how, like, I don't know how much stickers can add to a set. Like, I always forget that I have them too. I have so many. So I'm definitely going to be doing more sticker videos as well, and just playing with designs and kind of making them, you know, look freehand but not. So definitely stay tuned for those. I have airbrush videos coming really soon here as well. And yeah, that's about it for this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next week. Tuesday and Friday is my new uploading schedule. So this is what they look like all packed up. Thank you guys. Bye.